Heavy rain in Kodagu has prompted local authorities to implement critical traffic restrictions to ensure public safety. Venkat Raja, Kodagu District Commissioner and Regional Transport Authority Chairman, has announced that heavy vehicular traffic will be prohibited from July 1 to July 30. Importantly, these restrictions do not apply to the supply of essential goods and public passenger vehicles, ensuring that necessary services remain uninterrupted. The decision is driven by safety concerns due to the potential for landslides, particularly affecting heavy-duty vehicles on National Highway 275. Continuous rainfall has led to overflowing rivers and canals, with the Talakaveri Bhagmandal range receiving substantial rain, causing a significant rise in the Cauvery River water level. Residents and travelers are urged to exercise caution and adhere to the new traffic regulations to help prevent accidents and ensure the safety of all.